How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to make uneven abs even. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. Now, generally, people who talk about uneven abs have what we call staggered abs. It's where the three abs on the left may not line directly to the ones on the right. Now, there's nothing you can do to fix this. It's strictly genetics. The next problem with uneven abs occurs when the top four abs are developed, but the bottom two abs are not. This is 100% due to your training methods as well as your diet methods as well. What I have noticed for myself is that doing lower ab exercises will fix the problem, but you must be a low body fat percentage. What I recommend and what has helped me the best for exercise is going to be flutter kicks and leg circles. These two exercises are crazy for lower ab development. For top four ab development, I recommend doing weighted crunches and rolling ab crunches, you guys. The next problem I see people not developing their oblique muscles at all, you guys. If you really want to get the tie-in from your abs to the sides, you need to train your oblique muscles. Now, oblique muscles gives your abs the final look that really make them look good. I highly recommend training your oblique muscles, you guys. Now, some other things that people have talked to me or they have asked me is that they say, oh, I can't see my abs. I'm like 110 pounds. I cannot see my abs. They're just flat. What gives? Your abs are just like any other muscle group. So if you guys look at my arms, I got some pretty good bicep to tricep separation going on. That's because I've developed my bicep. I've developed my tricep, you guys. If you guys look at my abdominal muscles, they will be the same as that. The only difference is people my size, I have developed my muscle, you guys. People who are 110 pounds, they haven't developed their biceps. If they stick their biceps out, there won't be any muscle. It'll just be a straight arm it'll look like my wrist. There won't be any muscle there. So the reason why you have skinny abs or a flat stomach is because you haven't developed your abs. It's just like your biceps. You want to get good biceps, you want to get big biceps, you have to train your biceps. You want to get a shredded abs, you want to get good ab muscles, you got to train them. Now, it's not just dieting. You can't just get to 100 pounds and expect to have six-pack abs. It doesn't work that way. You have to build that muscle in your abs by doing weighted ab exercises and doing body weight ab movements that are harder over time. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.